Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Titin Triastuti, and you can call me Titin. I'm master student in Universitas Negeri Yogyakarta. My major is chemistry education, and now I will explain my research. Under the title validation of critical thinking test to senior high school student. Introduction. What is critical thinking? According to Enel, critical thinking is reflective and reasonable thinking that is asked to decide what to believe or do. Critical thinking is a process of thought that has the aim to solve a problem, interpret or question and solve a problem. That way, the teacher should be able to develop learning that can improve student critical thinking skill so that they can help students overcome the problem obtained in learning. Practicing critical thinking skill can help people to be more adaptable, flexible, and better able to cope with the rapid development of information that continue to grow. Critical thinking is not a method that must be learned, but rather a process orientation of thought that includes the realm of cognitive and affective. According to Ye, tests under test supervision must focus on critical thinking. Therefore, every test carried out by the government contains a critical thinking test. The test instrument used to measure and access is required to test in validity and reliability, so that the validity and reliability of the critical thinking ability test instrument is tested. Next, method. This research uses descriptive quantitative research method. The sample consisted of 187 high school students. The test instrument consisted of 8 essay questions. That analysis used the help of RANS, ABM SPS, Statistics 23, and Microsoft Excel. The analysis of instrument characteristics was assessed by the unidimensionality, item width, level of difficulty, reliability, and then information function. Next, development of critical thinking test instrument. According to the questionnaire in the 2030, there are six aspects of critical thinking education, which is interpretation, analysis, evaluation, determining solution, expression, and self-regulation. Next, Bowell and Cap in 2005. There is three aspects of critical thinking indicator. We is identify problem, reconstruction argument, and evaluation argument. Next, Weston and Glass in 2010. There is three aspects of critical thinking indicator. We is identify assumption, evaluation, argument, and draw conclusion. Aspect your in research in identify problem, reconstruction argument, evaluation argument, determining solution, and concluding. Next, result and discussion. Number one, the unidimensionality. The result, show the KM of value once 0.638 greater than 0.6. Provided that the sample used was adequate and then battle test value was 0.000 less than 0.05, provided that the variable were correlation So the data obtained in this study is in accordance with the unidimensionality factor analysis. Next, item fit. The result of the analysis showed that of the 8 items, there were 1 item that was not fit, namely item 5, item 8. Next, level of difficulty. The result of the level of difficulty with the category are very difficult, moderate, and easy, with a rank of 1.84 to rank to negative 0.97. Based of this rank, instrument item have a good degree of difficulty. Next, reliability. The reliability measure rank from 0 to 1. Based on the ratio of the reliability measurement of all instruments, can use the alpha Cronbach valuate. The valuate alpha equal to 0.77, which mean of reliability instrument. This show the correspondence between respondent and item. The reliability value of the respondent was 0.63. The reliability value of the reliability item was 0.89. Very reliable. Display the item can measure critical thinking skill as needed. Next, information function. The measurement function show the overall test and item reliability. The information function tell how well its capability level is estimated. The information function does not depend of the distribution of respondent on the ability scale. But based on the information function graph, it shows that the instrument of critical thinking ability produce optimal information when given to respondent with moderate ability. Next, conclusion. The result of the study indicate that the instrument of the critical thinking ability test has good validity and reliability. This shows that the instrument can be accepted to measure and assess critical thinking skill of high school students. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.